We love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello, welcome back to Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。等一下，打个哈欠。
想睡觉了，你干嘛这样要影响我
？Sorry, guys, I'm just yawning here because I feel like I need a cup of coffee. 有的时候你喝咖啡有没有效果？会不会马上就提神？
会一点点，
会一点，对不对？有时候是心理因素，但也有可能是咖啡因。This whole month we're teaching you the phrase 马上 immediately or right away. How do you say that?
念死。
And I'm talking about how coffee has an immediate effect on me. Like in 5 minutes, I feel like I can wake up. All right? 好，那我们就来一个这种喝咖啡的状况剧咯。就延续我刚刚的。好困哦。I'm so tired. I feel sleepy. 好困其实是 sleepy 哦。怎么说？
喊上所有，
喊上所有 ，OK， 上所有困哦，那样子哦，很困 ，right？ 喝咖啡啊，精神会马上变好。Have some coffee, it should recharge you immediately.
啉咖啡呀，
啉咖啡呀，
精神会念死变好。
精神会念死变好，那个精神变好变好 ，that means to turn better. 精神 that means your energy. All right, it's gonna be better after you having some 咖啡，对不对 ？That's coffee 咖啡 ，all right. 不过呢，最好的提神就是睡个觉，
没错，
对不对 ？But I want to go home and sleep instead.
爱较想爱，
爱较想爱。
转不下水木，
转不下水木，这个转不下就是回家，对不对？
对，不下其实就是指家里咯。
Yeah, that means you're home. 水木就是睡觉了。水木 I love to 水木 all the time. But if you can't do that, then of course have some 咖啡。如果真的没办法回家，就只好咖啡提神咯，对不对？或出去跑一下啦。
不用，我捏你一下。
哎呦，真的，光是想就醒了啦。也是啦。Okay, let's review some of these phrases, such as 好困哦 ，so sleepy.
喊上所有，
喊上所有。Okay, that means 好想睡，好困了，对不对？哈，精神 your energy.
精神
，and then to 睡觉 sleep. 睡梦 okay? And don't forget, this whole month we're teaching you the phrase right away or immediately, 马上念死。好了，我真的要去喝一杯热腾腾的咖啡了 ，OK? That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.